My classmates.
Kia, it's the weekend. Let's go dancing.
No, I don't like the idea. Actually, I have studied.
Well, I have a party. I want to go. I don't know. Who are you? Sorry, my name is Valentina. What are your names?
My name is Kia. She's Yesenia. Where do you live?
I don't know where you go. But now I live in Myanmar. I don't know the boundary of Myanmar. Can I go with you?
One moment.
Yeah! Let's start by Skype today. Can I go tonight? Yeah.
What are your Sky names?
Valentina.
Hi.
Hi. Hi. I don't have anything to wear. Me either.
I don't either.
And what are we going to?
I don't know. Go dance. Puchi, puchi, puchi,
Me
puchi.
too.
I don't know, Marilena.
This is a good idea. Puchi, 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 puchi.
Ladies, I have a surprise for you.
Really? I love surprise.
Oh, me too.
I'm going to see them tonight.
No, I want to see pictures of your friends.